Thanks for joining me for Flash Professional CS6 Essential Training. I really hope you've enjoyed the course and have found it a useful base on which to build your Flash knowledge and experience. Flash really does have a wide reach into various genres across the digital world. Time invested learning Flash, I think, is time well spent. So depending on what direction you may want to go in Flash, here's a few suggested resources and courses here within the lynda.com online training library to help you further your proficiency with the software. On adobe.com, I highly recommend the Adobe Developer Connection. It features articles and tutorials that range from beginner to super ninja level. It also has links to documentation and forums so you can get the most out of the power and flexibility of video, ActionScript, Air, and everything else on the Flash platform. Here in the lynda.com online training library, if you want to get better at animation, both on the timeline and by using ActionScript, check out Flash Professional CS5 Animation Projects by Paul Trani. You could also look at Flash Professional CS5 Character Animation by Dermot O'Connor. Paul also has an excellent course on Flash development specifically for mobile titled Building Mobile Apps for Multiple Devices with Flash Professional. For a greater understanding of ActionScript, the course ActionScript 3.0 in Flash CS5 Essential Training by Todd Perkins is the place to be. You'll learn about ActionScript video controls, classes, loading and unloading, working with external Swift files, and lots of other topics that can be applied to your Flash projects. Publishing Video with the Flash Platform by Lisa Larson-Kelly demonstrates how to build a Flash video player and publish video online without the use of custom ActionScript code. There are also a number of titles that discuss using code snippets, templates, and power shortcuts that can really increase your productivity in Flash. There's also titles specifically geared towards Flash for game development, banner ads, using Adobe Air, and Adobe Flex. Flex also uses ActionScript code in the Flash platform. Overall, you've got a wealth of resources here at your fingertips. So search the lynda.com online training library by Flash Professional as the subject to find the tutorials that are going to power you towards your next awesome Flash project. And I know your future Flash projects are going to be awesome. So keep learning, best wishes, and see you next time.